In this video, you'll learn how to stack your Samsung washer and dryer. In this configuration, washers always go underneath and dryers go on top. Let's start by unpacking your stacking kit. Inside your stacking kit, you'll find two shelf brackets, a front mounting plate and cover, 4 sticker pads, and some long round head and short flat head screws. You'll also need an electric drill or screwdriver. Secure each of the brackets to the shelves using 2 round head screws each. Peel the covers off the sticker pads and place sticker pads on the corners of the washer. Next, remove the 2 large screws at the rear of the washer in the top left and top right back corners. Place the shelves down along each side of the washing machine and attach the bracket to the washer with the large screw from the back of the washing machine. Do the same with the shelf on the other side. Next, we'll be running the cable that connects the washer to the dryer. At the rear of the washer is a plug. Take the unpadded end of the cable and plug it in. The plastic casing should click into place into the side of the shelf. There are also smaller button-sized holes at either end of the shelf to click the cable tabs into. With the cable secured and out of the way, you're now ready to begin stacking. You'll be lifting and placing the dryer on top of the washer using each of the shelves as rails to slide it into place. The dryer can be heavy. It will take at least 2 people to lift. Take the cable that is connected to the washer and connect it to the plug underneath the front of the dryer. Tidy away the cable and secure the washer together with the front mounting plate. Screw this in using 2 flathead screws. Place the cover on to finish. This should click into place. You have now completed the stacking process.